let it out. Let it out. See? Oh, Jesus.
Let's go crop cars.
Where?
Go. Go. Hold the shit.
Okay. Tell us how you truly feel.
Fucking Starship! Bitches.
I should send this to Lizzie.
Ah!
I'm going to send this to Lizzie. She's probably not going to be able to see anything.
You're ready to go to sleep. I'm fucking excited, okay?
I can't see you.
I can't see that, but that's it.
Okay. So, yeah, Leslie flipping shit over Starship. Yeah.
Hell yeah, bitches. Joey Richter. Darren Chris's idea along with Dylan Saunders and Brian Holden.
And a puppet.
And the Lang brothers.
And a puppet.
I'm in love.
Alright, I'm not going to use up too much data,
I need some vapors.
Oh god, oh lord.
Quick, I need a painting bench.
Okay, alright, I'm not going to use up any more data.